What's up, Kia Too Technical? I'm back again with another video. Today, as you can see, Google was kind enough to send me out the Google Pixel Buds Pro. So this is hashtag gift from Google. Just something to go along with my Google Pixel Fold, because on Twitter, which is called X, I had posted a photo saying that I'm still enjoying my Google Pixel Fold, and they were like, hey Kia, we want to send you over something to enjoy with it. And here we are today with the Google Pixel Buds Pro. I am really appreciative of them for sending this out to me. They didn't have to send it out to me, but they did, and this will go great with my Google Pixel Fold. I do currently have the Google Buds A series, and I do love those, but these will be even better because these have the noise cancellation and wireless charging. So they sent me over the fall color, and this is really cool. This is really dope. I'm really hyped. I'm really excited. This is the second time Google has actually sent me a gift, and I'm really stoked about this. So right now I'm just gonna open up the pull tabs and let you see what they look like. Even though a lot of people already have these, I still wanted to make this video. I did not have to make this video, but I wanted to, just to show my appreciation. So pretty much this is what it looks like when you open up the box. You know, you get that egg in there. It looks like a little eggshell, and you get your case, and then it looks and feels good on the outside, and then when you open it up, you are greeted with your two fogged earbuds, and they really do look nice and clean. I like the style and the look and the feel of these earbuds from Google, the Google Pixel Buds Pro. I am ready to enjoy my time with them. They do have wireless charging, as I stated. That is good because the Pixel Buds A did not currently have this capability, but since these are the pros, the better version, you get that. So I just want to say thank you to Made by Google for this gift, and I'll catch you in the next video on my